Welcome, in front of me is a Nothing Phone 2, and today I will show you how you can enable and also set up your portable hotspot. So to get started, you want to pull down your notifications by swiping down on your home screen, and swipe down once again to extend the list of toggles, and on one of the pages you should be able to see the hotspot toggle. For me, it is on the second page right over here. It is grayed out for some odd reason, because I think by default the phone has a data saver enabled, which is an absolutely stupid thing to have enabled by default. So, to combat this, we're going to navigate into the settings right over here, and we're going to navigate to network and internet, and here you'll find data saver, and you want to turn it off. Now, better solution would be when you're trying to enable your hotspot for the device to automatically turn it off, but apparently that's expecting too much from something that is supposedly a smart device. Anyway, so once you turn that off, you then can actually go into the hotspot and tethering and Wi-Fi hotspot and toggle it on. But before you do so, I will recommend starting off with the hotspot password, which is by default randomly generated. So simply remove it and then set up your own desired password. I'll make mine very simple so it's easy to remember, and we can tap on OK. Now it will need to have at least 8 characters in length. So that's really the only thing that I recommend changing, and from here you can toggle it on or off, and you can also do so from the notifications or right over here. So now it's off and back on. Now that being said, once you're done with it and you want to utilize the data saver, again, there is no easy way to do this. You just kind of have to go back to the network and internet, go to data saver and toggle it back on, which again will restrict your use of the hotspot, which again, like I mentioned before, absolutely stupid. Anyway, now if you're wondering why you might actually want to re-enable the data saver, it does save your mobile data by reducing just size of things that it's loading. So to help reduce data usage, data saver prevents some applications from sending or receiving data in the background, which is actually a pretty nice option. An app that you're currently using can access data, so any app that you will actually be using right now has just typical usage of it as you would normally expect, but may do so less frequently, which I don't think that probably is true, considering most applications, if they need internet connection, they need it permanently. So this portion will not apply to most of the applications anyway. This may mean, for example, that images don't display until you tap them. So something to keep in mind. Anyway, like I mentioned before, this is strictly designed to preserve your data, so if you have a low data plan, you might want to re-enable this once you're done with the hotspot. Anyway, with this being said, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.